this microwave. But be careful, it's hot. To measure the ingredients, we're using this cup. The ingredients for the brownies are 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 spoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of butter, and chocolate, 3/4 white sugar, 3/4 brown sugar, and 3 eggs, and chocolate and vanilla essence. So now, you see we have chocolate and butter. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, so now we're gonna put the butter and chocolate in the microwave. Mommy, Dada, help!
Why? What you need?
I cannot open.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Wow, what are you making?
Brownies.
For me?
Start. Yeah. It's happening.
It's okay.
It's making sound.
Good. So it's working.
In the meantime, we're gonna mix this ingredients. What? Can I mix two? No. Yes, I can do it. Gonna put this one too. Okay, no problem. What? You put it so
Careful.
Abang mix. Wait, there's more.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Put all.
done.
Very good.
Put this one. Ni relonya. Yes, I know. Is it okay? Yes. Mommy. Yes. Can I mix a bit? Mommy, ambil coklat. Yeah.
Chocolate is for later, sayang. You mix those first.
Mana coklat? Abang, look.
Okay.
It's turning chocolate. It's pink. Okay, my turn.
I think the butter is done.
Yeah. Okay. Dada.
Yes.
I need some help.
Again. What's this? I help you. Where to put this? Where to put this?
Mix. Mommy, another one.
Okay. Just want to make.
Mine is also turning chocolate. Oh, it's hot. Mommy, hot like an egg.
Hey, what are you doing?
Kakak use the mitten. You have a mitten.
Okay, good boy.
Mommy,
Yeah.
with this daddy chocolate.
Very good.
I can't
Wow.
I can't mix.
Only one you want to
Come.
give.
Mommy.
Ni, wait. Here. There's more here. Ah, see?
Yeah. 12. I think I'm done.
You think you're done? Are you sure? You get the bottom part already?
Not yet. There's a little more.
Are we done?
Not yet. Mine still not done. Not that.
You're gonna have to mix all 3 bowls into this big one. 1, 2, 3 in the big one. Okay?
Still come to this one. Come to this one.
Yes. Or you can just put everything inside here and mix it.
Okay.
Okay.
Goofy done.
You're done? Okay. So, Abang.
Get it? Because it's goofy and I'm done.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You goofy done. Okay, good job. Abang put inside here. Yes.
There, let's put it. Yeah. Looks like marmalade. Looks like marmalade.
Okay, good job. Okay.
Can I go?
Kakak punya sekali put inside here. Put all inside. Kakak, careful. Kakak.
Try.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna have to scrap off everything, kakak.
Done. Hot spoon. Oh, jatuh satu, Mommy.
It's okay.
Okay, now we're gonna put vanilla essence. Yeah. Yum.
Nani?
What are you doing?
Do not eat yet.
I'm gonna use the chocolate.
3 days later.
You tripping, bro?
Please clean up first. Look at your hand! It's filled with chocolate!
Kakak mix the big bowl. Sarah, tutup first the vanilla essence.
That's sticky! Too hard! So chocolatey. Can I taste it?
Are you done mixing it?
Not yet.
Okay, mix it more. Are we done? Can I check?
I think I'm done. I want to taste.
Yeah, you taste first.
Oh, yummy. There's more. That's it. I
There.
can't. It's not flour.
Okay.
It's flour.
A few minutes later.
Oh my god! Wow!
I get to enjoy my chocolate. It's all mine.
You know there's raw egg right inside there.
Nani?
Then I compare. I'm gonna ask Mommy if there's coffee.
Dede, it's hot, Dede.
Nani? Yay!
Help me.
What are you doing?
I want those.
Oh, good job, Abang. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning up the table, but nobody's helping me out. I'm already done.
You want to show me the brownies?
Finish. Right after I show this. Mommy, finish.
Good job, Abang.